Did you know that improving your gut health can lead to transformations beyond just digestion? It is essential to remember that your gut is intricately linked to various bodily functions, influencing everything from your immune response to mood regulation. Consequently, making dietary improvements can also yield mental health benefits, enhancing your overall emotional resilience. As you incorporate more whole foods and engage in mindful eating practices, notice the shift not only in your physical health, but also in your mental clarity. Listening to your body's reactions can guide you toward foods that truly nourish and energize you. In addition to dietary changes, it's important to cultivate healthy habits to support your gut health effectively. Regular exercise can invigorate your body by promoting better digestion and improving circulation, which is instrumental in supporting healthy gut function. When you find physical activities that you genuinely enjoy, you're more likely to stick with them, making this a sustainable aspect of your wellness journey. Engaging in movement not only benefits your gut but also uplifts your spirits, establishing a positive cycle of health in both mind and body. Furthermore, make sure to prioritize quality sleep, as proper rest is vital for maintaining hormonal balance and gut microbiota. By incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine, you can further support your gut health and overall well-being. Deep breathing exercises, yoga, or even a simple walk in nature can help mitigate stress levels that negatively affect your gut. Additionally, fostering social connections and pursuing hobbies can enhance your emotional resilience, promoting a happier gut environment. As you work towards these lifestyle changes, remember that every small effort contributes to a more vibrant and healthier future, one rich in joy and vitality. Make these practices a priority and watch as your gut health flourishes alongside your overall happiness. To deepen your understanding of gut health, consider the significant impact that processed foods and high sugar intake can have. These items may taste delicious, but often harbor additives that disrupt gut microbial balance. Instead of reaching for convenience, try to embrace whole foods packed with nutrients that naturally support your digestive system. Think of colorful fruits and vegetables, hearty legumes, and whole grains. They can revitalize not only your gut, but your entire being. By making mindful choices, you empower yourself to cultivate a healthier environment within. Remember, transforming your diet doesn't happen overnight, but each step brings you closer to optimal well-being. Celebrating these small victories can boost your motivation and guide you towards a thriving lifestyle, enriching both body and mind. Have you ever taken a moment to assess how your mood fluctuates throughout the day? Your emotional state can directly influence your eating choices, often leading to cravings for comfort foods high in sugars and unhealthy fats. Conversely, when you nurture a positive mindset, it empowers you to choose nourishing options that support your gut health. By remaining aware of this cycle, you can break free from emotional eating patterns and foster a more balanced relationship with food. As you recognize the link between your mindset and choices, you're better equipped to make decisions that enhance your overall health, encouraging a harmonious connection within yourself. Reflecting on your body's signals is key to understanding how food affects your gut. Take time to notice when certain meals energize you and when others leave you feeling sluggish. This insight can guide you in choosing foods that resonate positively with your gut health. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery, remember that every small adjustment can pave the way for significant improvements. Be patient with yourself, as developing a deeper connection to your health will empower you to create lasting changes that promote a vibrant gut and overall wellness. Trust in the process and embrace the path ahead. By prioritizing these integrated approaches to gut health, you can cultivate a thriving microbiome that supports not just digestion, but also emotional stability and vitality. Ultimately, embracing these changes leads to a more balanced, fulfilling life, enhancing your well-being for years to come.